is why I followed my friends to the Palate Bar and Rooftop, and fully convinced why you will love it. When I've walked by this bar 1,000 times, it hasn't occurred to me that it's actually a hidden gem. The Sapan Taskin BTS station is only a 3-minute walk from this property, right on Shiroan Krung Road across from Robinson's. It's a 4-story walk-up filled with antiques, murals, and a huge rooftop deck where you can enjoy great music. Each floor has its own personality and is a joy to discover. The music is a mix of hip-hop, house, and R&B. I found this mural on a door near the bathroom on the 3rd floor to be particularly appealing. Anyway, it's a great atmosphere. When I walked into Palate Bar and Rooftop, I had no idea what to expect, and boy was I in for a delicious surprise. Even though I consider myself to be physically fit, my thighs were screaming by the time I reached the top of the roof. However, it was well worth the effort. The footwear chosen for the climb should be comfortable and casual. Let's start with a refreshing Asahi beer to keep me cool before we dig into the delicious food. There is a lot of comfort food on the menu at this restaurant. Drink your beer quickly because the sun can warm it up pretty fast. Let's do this. Bruschetta. My son, who has been in Thailand since December 21st, introduced me to this rooftop while he was out with his friends. When he told me about it, I was fascinated because Sathorn doesn't have nearly as many rooftop bars as Sukhumvit does. This bruschetta has a lot going for it. It's toasted with garlic and then topped with fresh tomatoes, olive oil, and herbs. Delicious flavor and crunch. Sathorn's rooftop bar scene is gradually growing. Beef nachos. Wow. I haven't had nice nachos in a long time, and this was especially impressive because I've only ever had them at Mexican restaurants. A spicy red chili salsa adorns these nachos, which are piled high with cheese, meat, corn, and peppers. These nacho chips with a spicy salsa are my favorite snack combination. A big hit for me for 2 thumbs up. Calamari and Dip. The calamari here with this dip was so delicious that we couldn't stop eating it. My friend joined me for a portion of this delectable dining experience at Palate Bar and Rooftop, and he couldn't stop raving about the calamari and dip. Calamari rings were plump and juicy. The dip, oh, it's so creamy and delicious. This must be tried. I couldn't stop myself from devouring these. Spinach spring rolls. While in Thailand, I have had many various types of spring rolls to try, but none with spinach. It was a great experience. The sweet and sour Thai sauce that came with it was a perfect complement. When you're out with pals drinking and eating, this is the perfect place for the vegetarian in your group. It was a nice evening to spend at the rooftop. It was sunny but nice and breezy. The service was attentive and the servers very respectfully sweet. I would highly recommend this place on any night. They are open from 10 a.m. onwards till closing, which is 11 p.m. right now because of alcohol restrictions, otherwise they are open till wee hours of the morning. Thank you to Oil and her awesome staff for the wonderful grub.